Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your calcium. First, let's understand that most adults need about 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium daily. We'll explore various food options that are naturally high in calcium. Then, we'll discuss when and how to consider supplements. And finally, we'll cover important lifestyle choices that help your body absorb and utilize calcium effectively for strong bones. Many delicious foods can help you meet your calcium needs. Dairy products are well known for their high calcium content. A cup of milk provides around 300 milligrams. Don't forget leafy greens like kale and collard greens, which are also great sources. Look for fortified foods such as some plant-based milks and breakfast cereals. Even canned fish with soft bones like sardines can contribute substantially to your daily intake. If diet alone isn't enough, supplements can help, but always talk to your doctor first. Calcium carbonate is a common form, offering about 40% elemental calcium, and is best absorbed when taken with food. Calcium citrate with 21% elemental calcium can be taken anytime. It's important not to exceed 2,500 milligrams of total calcium from both food and supplements each day to prevent potential health issues. Beyond diet and supplements, several lifestyle factors impact calcium. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption. Aim for 600 to 800 international units daily. Regular weight-bearing exercises like walking or jogging help strengthen your bones. Try to limit excessive caffeine and sodium, as they can increase calcium excretion. Additionally, avoiding smoking and heavy alcohol consumption will significantly support your overall bone health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.